The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. Big pussy police, Andrew's gonna suck your mama, you can't do nothing. We out here, we not going, see there? Life me, I make sure go. We out here, we not going. Andrew is a suck cock. You can't have a control again, you want to control, man. Go suck your mama. Bad man, yeah, see there, Andrew them, since bad man friends to there. We not going a blood clot tonight.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, Seriousskilla there. Big up and respect to each other for one, you know. And me have one more piece of video to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. A short piece of video, you see me? Now, me rise up, you know. First night of this all-island curfew, you see me? It said that this all-island curfew is going to be for 7 nights, you see me? And, you know, this is the first night that I just passed, you see me? And I see this video out on social media, and according to what has been said about this video on social media is that, you know, persons were outside during the time when it is said that it is an all-island curfew in the country of Jamaica. So I see the video and I hear some things being said, and I say, chop, you can't take everything on social media serious because of social media. You see what I say? So that means say to myself. But then now I see another short piece of video again, and you know when I see the video, I say, what is? Look on that video, viewers and subscribers.
Man, this is a big pussy of police.
Alright, come.
Fine.
Display.
So now go in, see man.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, you know, you see the second video I just showed you a while ago, you know, I noticed some things in that video there, you see me? I noticed I see police officers in that video, and you know, me hear the first video where I present to you, you know, me hear that video I playing at the background at this second video, and you know, I also hear somebody in that video I say some things like them a point out, said that person said certain things or so on. You see what I'm saying to you? So here is the question that I'm asking. Could it be that the first video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, could it be that that video somehow had been seen by police officers? You get me? Like somehow police officers see that video, and then the second video is the result of everything overall. You see what I said to you? To each and everyone out there, see? Just do as the authorities them tell you to do. You see me? And I'm talking about the health ministry, and I'm talking about the law enforcers, and you know, the World Health Organization. Is what I'm saying to you. Them said that you must, you know, sanitize yourself. You see me? Them said that you must keep your surrounding clean. You see me? Them said that you must practice social distancing, and other things have been said as well. Is what I'm saying to you. I don't know how long, you know, we as persons throughout the world have to do something like this, but you know, if them tell us if you do it to a certain time, do it to a certain time, and if it have to continue more longer, I just saw it go. So me I say, because this coronavirus thing is no joke, you have to think about yourself, you have to think about the people them we love, think about the youth them we grow, think about the whole Jamaica, and think about the whole world, you understand? Because all of these things that the authorities them are tell you if you do, they might tell you to do this in order to stop the spread of the COVID-19, or you can say coronavirus. Alright? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, you don't know me Seriousskilla. Me only there to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I go on. So me I say, and you know, I got these 2 pieces of videos, you know, they're out on social media. Can you let me know what you think about these 2 pieces of videos? You see me? And these 2 pieces of videos is said to be of persons that were out while there was an all-island curfew. You see me? And you know, some comments have been made about these pieces of videos, alright? And yeah, some left it. So until the next time, my name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?